everyone, this is Fatima here from RMC Light. So this video is especially for the ones who wish to study in Canada. So in this video, I will tell you the step-by-step process on how to study in your dream country. So as we all know, Canada's education is world famous for its standards, and yes, definitely studying in Canada is a dream of every person. So in this video, let us discuss the process and as well as the steps. So as we all know, getting a Canadian PR is extremely difficult. So immigrating to Canada right after your study visa is actually the easiest way to settle down. So before discussing this further, so let us know about the intakes that are available in Canada. There are 3 intakes actually, that is September, January and May intake. So let us discuss it one by one. So coming to the September intake, that is called as the fall intake. This is actually the main intakes of all intakes. In this intake, the institutions offering a large number of seats available in that courses. As I told you, this is the main intake of all intakes. Next comes about the January intake. January intake is called as the winter intake. So this is actually the continuation of the previous intake, that is the September intake. So the people who missed to study or get admitted on that particular intake can actually opt for this intake. Okay. So next comes the May intake, that is called as the summer intake. This is, I think, the least preferable intakes. Not every university will give you seats, and which are even giving you are very few. So these are the intakes that are available in Canada. So now that we know about the intakes, let us discuss about the steps. So first of all, I want to tell you that whenever you are trying to study in Canada, make sure you do your own research. The more you research, the more information you will be getting. So as we all know, it takes a lot of time, I think more than a year. But when you are thinking of to study in Canada, you should start your research before a year so that you'll be prepared on the final day. So first thing is you need to research on your course. You should be pretty sure of the course that you need to study. Okay, so and also next what you need to research is about the scope that the Canada is actually having. The particular course, you need to research on that, the scope of that course. Next comes on the university. So we all have that thing, whenever you're going to abroad, whenever you're going, for example, now that we're talking about Canada, we have certain things in mind that we need to study in this university or in this college. So we need to research about the universities and the colleges. And also we should also know the requirements, what they need. Based on that requirements, we can actually plan accordingly. So the next thing comes the money. It is about how much will it cost, how much money you need to have in hand while you're implementing to study in Canada. So the next thing comes about the funding sources. So the funding sources is all about the university that are offering you a lot of scholarship. So you need to research about which university is giving what kind of scholarships. So next coming about the location and the campus. For example, if you want a very good city like Toronto, then you need to research on that particular university and college around the GTA region. For example, if you, at all you want a very silent area, then you can prefer Waterloo region. This is, I'm telling, based on your interest, based on where you are interested in staying in that particular area. So these are some of the basic points that you need to be pretty sure, and you need to research about it fully. So for more videos, contact us and let us discuss more and more about this. So the next video will continue on this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.